You know, it seems to come a time in every commercial beekeeper's career, no matter, you know, the size of operation you run, you're trying to expand and things just get busier and there's more work that you need some help. So, you know, once in a while I kind of talk to people about giving me some help and coming here and doing some work. And you know, I found this young fella. He seems to talk like he knows what he's doing. He says he's kept bees before, and so we brought him here today to give me a hand and you know, try him out and see if it's talk or if it's you know, he actually kind of knows something about doing the bees. We'll just go over here and see how he's making out. So how's it going, young fella?
You got me on video?
Got it all under control?
I'm not used to this. Beautiful day to transfer bees.
Yeah, sprinkle of rain. Keep them all indoors. It's not every day I get the opportunity to get a video of Ian working my bees.
They've kind of shaken all the way here.
Yeah.
Hold this third one just to give you that.
What's that?
I'm going to take your...
Yeah, that's all good. I'll slide those in when I put the seconds on. All right, I'll get back to work. Of course, you know, I'm just goofing around. Ian's a very generous person, and it's a treat to have him come visit once in a while. So, he's not working for me. I should be so lucky. I should be working for him, although I would be able to keep up. I'm an old man. So the bee yard is it's kind of a cold day, and there's a little bit of rain falling, but I'll show you some of these hives. They're actually getting out and about right now. I wouldn't say a lot of activity, but it's what, 14 to 16 degrees Celsius out here, and you can hear a little bit of rain falling. The ladies have been stuck inside all day, so I think they're anxious to stretch their wings and maybe take a poop, who knows. A little bit of activity here. Some of them are a little stronger than others. This is like queenless builder here with the tail. Looks like it's fairly strong. There's some hanging out the front door. Kind of crazy. Came out here this morning, it was cool, and there was a couple hives with the bees hanging out the front door. This one, for one, they're still kind of congregating there. So I'm not sure why that is. It's not hot by any means, and they're not even in the third box here. That's an empty box of foundation here that I'm just wanting them to draw. They haven't really touched it, so I don't understand that. Oh well, a little bit more activity there. So anyway, this is kind of going to be not a great week, which is too bad because I've got some queens that are trying to mate this week. Got a couple here that are doing okay. A lot of struggling hives this year. The weather has been just up and down. It's been cold as much as it's been warm, or even more. So here we have some coming in. You can see pollen on their legs, pollen pants. So they're collecting that up. So that's it from the apiary today. Just a short little check-in video. Not much to do out here on a cool and drizzly day. Get some better weather coming, hopefully. Have fun.